Hey everyone, thanks for watching. This short explainer video is going to go over how to navigate the ChatGPT interface. It's a very broad overview explainer, and in follow-up explainers, I'm going to go into much more detail into each area. So as you open ChatGPT up to the left, you'll see this area of menu options. New chat is pretty obvious. This is simply where you would click if you were on a different menu at the time to start a new chat. This is where you're going to ask ChatGPT to do something for you. The search chat function is just that. Assuming you have done lots of different chats, maybe you want to go back to an old one and expand on it or just review it, you would type in a keyword or its title in here to search for it. Images is where you can have ChatGPT produce some images for you. Put the description of the image here. It also gives some suggested styles or style options, some other ones here. For example, I asked it to create an image of Doge as an emperor, and this is what it gave me. I thought it was pretty cool. So going down the line, apps is essentially where you would be able to integrate other third-party applications with ChatGPT. And this is just a sampling of some of the current applications where this can be done. Deep research is a function which is going to take a little bit more time. For example, you may want to get a lot more deeper information on a particular subject. And this is when you would use the deep research function as opposed to the initial default uh, function with ChatGPT, which would give you a little bit more surface information. Codex is the function where you would be using to create code with ChatGPT. Projects is a very useful function. It's essentially a way of placing like chats and information into essentially a folder. And so that folder then you would name as a particular project, and it could basically keep that information much more organized to be able to get back to it in the future. And so those are the top menu items on the left-hand side. Like I said, in future videos, I'm going to go into much more detail on each one of these to further expand on how to use them more efficiently. As always, if you've liked this video explainer, subscribe and like this video, and we'll see you on the next one.